last video we did, Stop Rust Forever, they're saying that petroleum jelly, this stuff right here, is flammable. Well, let me prove them wrong because it's not flammable. We'll take it right out of there. Put it in the pan. Take the torch. We're going to use a propane torch. Okay, you see the flame? Does not flame up at all. Pan gets hot. A lot of grease on the outside of the pan. So I've got the flame right in there. The pan is really hot. Does not flame up.